Hi everyone, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Welcome to Thrifting is My Beach. I have a ThredUP unboxing and I want to fully disclose I already went through this. It's just the sleepwear 4-piece lot that's $24 plus shipping. I want to include that I believe shipping has gone up. I believe it's like $10 or $10.99. I'm not sure if that affects the rescue boxes, if that fee is for the shipping or not. But again, this is $24. So take 24 divided by 4. Means cost of goods for each item, if I'm selling every single item, is $6. Okay. So I wanted to get sleepwear because I live in sleepwear as I work from home. And so if I could keep something for myself, that's awesome. And I believe sleepwear is very underrated. I love selling sleepwear used from the thrift store. I want to give this a shot. I did see a couple unboxings that piqued my interest, so here we go. This has been sitting on my counter for a couple weeks. This is from April 20th, and I know a lot of you like to know where these boxes come from, as I always make note where they came from. This one came from Phoenix. So I have my little receipt on top, and everything was nicely folded. The first piece I'm going to start with is this unbranded satin robe. I absolutely love this champagne color with the leopard print sheen to it. It is, I would say, mid-calf length, so it's got great length to it, and probably a bracelet sleeve. I don't know that I would call that long sleeve. And it does have the original sash that fell on the floor, but just so you get the gist, it's satin, so a lot of people love that satin feel. There are no pockets, which is kind of a bummer. I always love robes with pockets. This does appear to be snag free. It is pre-owned, and this is the only tag on it. So I just have a little bit of stretch, and large is a great size. I actually sell unbranded robes all the time. I'll probably list this for $30. Yeah, $30. The next piece was also decent, and this is actually branded. This is Bordeaux. This is a trendy viscose slip dress with gorgeous lace detail. There is, I believe, well, I didn't find the exact one, but I don't know if this is called Chantilly lace. I always forget the name of that, but I think it has a slit. It's not super short, but with that slit, that would go up pretty high. I think I can get 20 to 30 for this. I wish it was silk, but it is viscose. Better than polyester, I suppose. And the next piece is a red lace lingerie. I don't know what you want to call this. You can put negligee is what I usually say, but it has underwire. It is lightly lined with like a Swiss dot and then some pleated, like accordion pleats at the bottom trim. And it has the traditional closure and back. This brand is actually Gilligan's O'Malley. Let me know in the comments. I think this used to be sold at a local store that closed. It was called Shopco. But let me know in the comments down below where Gilligan's and O'Malley is sold. This is a small. I wish it was a larger size, as they tend to do better, but it's in great condition. I think I can get 15 to 20 for that one. And then last but not least, I saved the best for last, is a brand new Natori bra that retailed for $64. It's a 34B, so it is a smaller size. I tend to gravitate towards the larger sizes or uncommon, but I would not have spent $6 on this at the thrift. I think I can get 25 to 30, so I will still make a profit. I don't know that I honestly would have picked up any of these at the thrift. It depends on their price point. If they were at the bins, yes, I would have, but so yeah, this is my favorite. It has the lace detail and very thin straps. They are like almost thinner than spaghetti strap, I would say. This is, it doesn't have a style name, it just has a style number. I did do a quick look up on eBay and did not see this style number. So that may be to my advantage. We'll wait and see. I'm going to add up now everything for you. As I said, this box cost $24. I didn't actually use cash. I used my credit. Whenever I get kind of bored, I'll go on their rescue box website, and I just went and looked. I really want a fun box, but those are hard to come by. So all right, I'm going to add this all up with you guys and let you know if I believe it is a profit. Spoiler alert, yes, it is. I think I'm going to do this for 30. We'll do this for 15 just because it's not a known brand. So there's 45. I'm going to say 20 for this Bordeaux dress. I'm being a little bit conservative. So there's 65. And I think I can get 30 for this robe just because of the length, and it is a leopard print and the size. So what did I say? 45? So $75. Minus fees, I'm looking at doubling my money, which I'm totally okay with. These are nice pieces. I do not see any flaws. I have looked over them twice, but as you resellers know, whenever you get the ring lights out and you're going to take pictures, that's usually when you notice a small flaw. So know that something may have a small flaw that I have not seen, but overall, I would totally buy this box again. I'll probably wait a month or so just because I've been buying a little bit too much online recently. And let me know in the comments, have you bought a sleepwear box? If so, were you satisfied? Overall, I would rate this box an 8 out of 10. Just because the brands are, some of them are not really well known, but the quality is very nice. So I definitely am selling all 4 of these. Thank you for watching. My next video is going to be a massive, massive haul. I went to another church rummage sale, and let me just say, I'm out of space. I can't thrift anymore until I have this all processed. So enjoy and have a great day. Bye.